Hi, welcome to another video of the SwiftUI steps counter animation. In this video, we will look at how to create the bending effect using the clip shape modifier and offset. So let's get started. Using the clip shape modifier, you can mask views, so you can show and hide portions of the view. Let's look at how that works by applying the clip shape modifier to the flame icon. Over here we have the flame icon. The clip shape modifier should be the immediate modifier for the view. So let's add it above the foreground color modifier. By default it is set to circle, but let's change it to rectangle. We have applied the clip shape modifier to the flame icon, but the icon still remains the same. To show and hide portions of the icon, we need to use the offset for the rectangular mask applied to the shape. We can use both the Y or the X offset to show and hide portions of the view. So here let's apply the offset modifier. In this animation, we are going to use only the Y offset. So let's use the Y offset to show and hide portions of the flame icon. By setting the value of the Y coordinate to 0, we still see the whole flame icon. If we change the value, for example, setting it to 5, you can see the top part of the flame icon is hidden. Let's change the number to 15. You can now see only small part is remaining. By changing the value to, for example, 20, we don't see the flame icon at all. So this is how to use the Y offset to show and hide portions of a view. If we change this to, for example, -10, you can also see the bottom part of the flame icon is hidden. So you can use both negative and positive values depending on where you want the shape to be hidden or revealed. Let's change it to 0. Let's start creating the animation using a state variable. We create and define a state variable, bending. Here we set the initial state to 0. That is the offset of the rectangular mask. Next, we want to play this animation using user interaction. So over here, we bring the state variable, bending, and set the end state to 10. So the end state is the end offset. So it is the point at which part of the flame icon is hidden. We can now use the state variable to animate the Y offset of the flame icon. So here we change the value from 0 and use the state variable. We get an error. By clicking on this, we can fix it. Let's then resume and click on the live preview to see what we have done. By tapping on the start button, you can see we have the bending animation of the flame icon. You can see over here I have attached the animation modifier and using the interpolating spring as easing function. So this is how to create the bending effect using the clip shape modifier and the Y offset in SwiftUI.